Hello guys, how's it going? So here is the project number 4. It's about programming with Python and JavaScript, and here we design about the network. So we create the network website. It's like a Twitter or Facebook things. So here we wanna demonstrate the new post. So here I can write anything. So you can see that it's working. So I can create new post, and here about all posts I can see that for example other users. So everything is working, all of the posts. Now profile page, here I can see that I have 1 follower and 3 following. So also it's working, so it's good, it's great. The next one is a profile page. So here is my profile page. You can see that I can like or dislike. The next one is following. So I can see who is my followers, and I have 3 followers, so it's good, it's great. Also I can follow other people from here. For example, this one I can just unfollow or follow, so it's working also. The next one is Pagination. So you can see that I can go to the next page like that, and I can go back to the first page. Next one is edit post. So here with my user Edward, so I just create a post, so I just click on edit and I just want to change it. So you can see that everything is changing, so it's great and it's working. And here I can see I can like or dislike any post I want it, so also it's working. So here was the demonstration of the project. So we have our profile, which is working, the all of the posts is here, is the following. And also if I do just log out and just log in with another user, also it's working. For example, we have bits, also it's working, so I can like, I can follow or unfollow, so it's working. Also I can do logouts and also register with a new name, for example. And you can see that also registration, it's working. I can do new post here also, and you're good to go. Yeah, so that's it.